So I'm just making sure that with this video you people get benefited out of this. But so anyways, I just don't want to speak about the cost because I'm not getting any benefit out of that, or I am not promoting any of their business, or I'm not getting anything from their promotions also. So this is not a promotion video, or as I said, you should go to him itself. There is nothing like that. But this is a place that where I had gone, and he had done an extremely a good job. So there are many other people also who was doing in this, who are in this field now, so was doing PPF, and there are many detailing studios and such or whatever, or whoever it is. But you see here in the underneath here, so it's not clean, but still you could see here. See this, already the PPF has been gone away, right? So when you come across so many humps, bumps and all those things, I know that my paint would have gone somewhere, and this color also is very hard to match up or get the space from the showroom or something like that. See here, there's a scratch here, you can see the scratch here. So the entire PPF was done in JC Road. Okay, so this PPF was not that perfect as I know. See this, there is here there's one here. Okay, it's already peeling off. Okay, so there's one here, and there's nothing else. You do PPF from anywhere or everywhere, so the PPF is always a PPF. So I know there are different qualities in it. Some might be a little bit expensive as on the quality that you pay, but some are the other day like me, you have to get a scratch here and there. But this is not gonna remain for lifelong. What I suggest you people is inquire about the cost, and just see. This is a clear disclaimer that I'm not paid for doing this, or what. I don't know what exactly to say for all those, but this is what PPF is, what I've done. So I feel this is good for that price of somewhere around 4 and a half something is what I paid. I don't remember the exact, but still that's the approx I paid, somewhere around 4 and a half for wrapping up the entire from but not this part. It's not this part, but the entire from the front, this underneath, and the back cowl, and till the tail also here done. So you might be thinking that when is this guy done and when is this guy reviewing this. I told you I had bought this bike somewhere around April or May, somewhere there, and this is August month, and I took 4-5 months to make this video and upload it. So okay, anyways, so that's all. That is all about this video. So I think it's time to wrap up my talks, and I'll catch you in another video. Until then, take care of yourself, and you too keep discovering and keep touring. Bye bye.